How to schedule Instagram live. Guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can schedule your Instagram live. So the first step, guys, is to make sure your account is on professional account. If you're not on professional account, let me just show you how you're going to be doing that. Just click on the three dots showing above your screen. When you click on that, click on where it says settings and privacy, guys. When you click on settings and privacy, click on where it says business tools and controls. So for your case, you might not be seeing these business tools. So just go ahead and search for account type, and then you're going to just go ahead and switch it to professional account. When you're done switching to professional account, guys, just go ahead and click on the plus button. When you click on the plus button, guys, let's go ahead and switch to the live section. So when you switch to the live section, guys, as you can see, just on your screen, you're going to be seeing where it says schedule. So just go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, guys, just go ahead and put in the title you want. Put in the title. When you don't put in the title, just go ahead and click on start time, and then you're just going to go ahead and schedule your live video. So just go ahead and click on where it says schedule live video, and you're done. So I hope this video is helpful. If this video is helpful, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next one.